Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to closer look 2024 Lamborghini Revuelto's exterior. The Revuelto is a sleek and aggressive supercar that takes cues from the Aventador it replaces, but with a more modern and aerodynamic design. It features a sharp nose with LED headlights, a low-slung silhouette, and wide air intakes on the sides. The rear end is dominated by a large diffuser and taillights that stretch across the width of the car. Interior. The Revuelto's interior is a luxurious and driver-focused affair, with carbon fiber trim, Alcantara upholstery, and a digital instrument cluster. The seats are heavily bolstered, and the steering wheel is adorned with Lamborghini's signature fighter jet-inspired buttons. The infotainment system is controlled through a touchscreen mounted on the center console. Bumper. The front and rear bumpers of the Revuelto are integrated into the overall design of the car and feature large air intakes for cooling. The rear bumper also houses the car's diffuser and exhaust tips. Dashboard. The Revuelto's dashboard is dominated by a digital instrument cluster that displays all of the car's vital information. The center console houses the infotainment system, touchscreen and climate controls. The steering wheel is adorned with buttons for controlling the car's various driving modes. Price. The 2024 Lamborghini Revuelto starts at $608,358. Thanks for watching.